finally finished Beckham's big boy room. If you've been here a while, you know that my older two were together, Beckham and Amelie, and then I had Florence, our baby, here in the nursery, but we have transformed everything. And this is now a big boy room. Beckham is 6, so he finally has his own room again. I love this space so much. So I'm so super excited to show you guys. I'm also so excited to surprise him. He's at school today and I just finally finished most of the finishing touches on the room, so I know he's going to love it. Oh, also quick note, my girls' room is almost done. I'm just waiting on a few pillows that I ordered from Etsy, so I will hopefully be able to share their really cute girly room with you guys next week. So come on in to Beckham's room. So here we are in Beck's room. I'm super excited about the way it all turned out. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of everything. Try to put everything below to where everything is sourced from and all that, and link if it is still available online. First up is his bed. I love this bed. This is a black metal bed, and I actually found it, believe it or not, from Walmart. And I was toying between a bunk bed and a loft bed, but I decided actually to go with a trundle bed. And the reason I chose this is we still need a mattress for under here for when we have guests, or if my mom comes to stay, or if he has a friend spend the night, we'll have one more bed. And the reason I also liked this bed is because I can hide it nicely with his duvet cover over it. So I liked the black. I thought the black was super cute. It was boyish, and kind of like that it was vintagey. So I don't go to Walmart often because we don't have one near our house. But gosh, the Better Homes and Garden line through Walmart was just, it's so awesome. Like I ordered this online, we went into the store, we picked it up, and we're really happy with the outcome. And I also bought another piece there that I'm gonna share with you. Affordable, cute, functional, what more could you ask for? Okay, so back to his bed. I found this Etsy seller. I bought these 2 pillow shams on Etsy for, I believe, like $7.99. Super excited about this find. I will link to that below. And this bedding, this is a duvet cover. It's kind of a charcoal gray linen. I found this on Amazon, and it came with this pillow sham cover. This is an old ticking stripe pillow that I found at Home Goods. And then the sheets were another total score. They are a blue ticking stripe sheet that I found on sale for $6.99 at Target. I don't know if they still have them, but I got them about 2 weeks ago. So I'll try to link below if they do. But again, just really wanted something a little bit darker, a little bit more masculine and boy-like. We had this throw out in the living room I was gonna pack away because it's kind of fallish, but I thought it looked cute in here with his room. So that is his bed. This rug I found at Target. I love it so much. I believe this is a 5x8 size, and it is threshold. I just liked the print, like the weave. I feel like it'll hold up really nicely in time. And I liked, again, that it was blue, boyish, kind of adds a fun flair to the room. Over here next to his bed, this is the second piece, Better Homes and Garden piece that I found on Walmart.com. This was $37, you guys, 37 bucks. And it's really easy to put together. It came quickly, and the wood is faux, obviously, but I feel like it looks really good. And I think it's just a step up from IKEA, but same price point. So I'm really happy with this piece. I wanted something just small. I wanted something boyish, simple, and it's great. So we just right now have books. We've got to kind of figure out the decor and stuff, but I found these cute baskets at the Target dollar spot, $5 each. You could put, you know, fun knickknacks, some toys and stuff in there. So then on top I just have a clock that I found at IKEA years ago. This sweet little bear I can't get rid of. This has been in his room since he was born. And then I have these just fun wire baskets I bought on eBay a while ago, and I just filled it with some fun boy stuff, sunglasses, a succulent, and we've got a family picture over here. I'll probably update the picture for him, but I just stuck that in here for now. So when I was searching online, I was looking for Pinterest. I wanted a very like boy, basic, minimal room. I found this pendant and I loved the saying. It says, "Do your best." And I loved it so much and I tracked it down. I liked the color a lot. I just really liked the saying and I thought it was very boy-like. And then this is from Target. Thought it was fun. He loves that it says boys only, especially because it's his new boy room. And it's kind of like a fun 3D piece, which is great. Target. To this wall, these two prints I bought on Etsy. This was like a photo, but I had it printed out at our local print store. And same with this. I think I bought each print for $5. And I liked that it's a little bit beachy, kind of all goes together with this sign. And of course, these frames, where did I find them? Believe it or not, Walmart. They're just wood frames and they match this darker wood piece over here, which I loved. This hamper is great, especially because it's wire and it's sturdy. And this you can find these always at like TJ Maxx or Home Goods. Just threw a little chair in. We've had this kind of canvas tote in here and I put his stuffed animals in there. And then this dresser we have had since he was born, a kind of thrift antique store type place. We had it painted. I had put some blue knobs on, and because it still matches and it still goes, we're still using it. So this is his dresser and I like it. It's still working, so we're still going with it here. And this was a Home Goods find from when he was born. This bee was in his nursery when he was born, I believe. Let's see. Restoration hardware find. This little guy I picked up $6.99 from Target. These are just some fun things I threw in this basket, metal basket. Beckham loves baseball. There's just some decor, some boys book. And this was his daddy's old car when he was little, so I put that in there. All my kids have these wire lettering of their names. I'm loving these picture print hangers. You can find these on Amazon or wherever, and this again was like a cheap Etsy print I had printed out. Surf's Up Groms, kind of goes with our subtle surf, beachy California look. And then behind us is the closet, which I'm trying to be very resourceful in storing just all of his like toys like cars and trains and, you know, stuff. I'm sure this room is going to become more functional and definitely more kiddish. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this California Cool inspired boys room today. And if you're new here and you haven't, I'd love for you to subscribe, like these videos, comment. I love to interact with you guys and I appreciate always all the feedback. So be sure to stay tuned, and I'm hoping next week to get the girls room up. So that is it. Have a great day. Bye guys.